Hello and welcome to Crafty Christie's Creations how-to videos. I'm Christy, the crafter behind the hands. These how-to videos teach you how to make DIY projects using paper and vinyl materials that can be cut on your electronic cutting machine. I'll go over tips and hacks that will simplify the process and have you crafting with confidence. Grab some coffee, sit back, and learn how to create something new. Alrighty, today we are talking about where to place vinyl on a shirt to get it centered on the top half of the shirt. So I picked up this awesome hot pink sweatshirt at Walmart the other day, and I am planning on putting a small vinyl across the chest. So in order to find the center, the first thing I'm going to do is put my seams together. So I'm grabbing my shirt from under the armpit and putting that seam together, running my fingers all the way down to the end to make sure we're in the center, and then going up and grabbing the collar and getting those seams put together. Next, what I'm going to do is grab my iron and I'm going to press that seam, make a nice crease line. This is a cotton shirt, so I have my settings on my iron set to cotton with no mist. Adding moisture to the shirt may prevent the vinyl from sticking later, so I'm not going to risk it with any moisture. Next, what I'm going to do is create a vertical line across my shirt. So I'm grabbing again under the armpit, and then I'm just letting gravity help make it straight across. Grabbing my iron, and I'm going to press that line as well. And those lines are kind of hard to see, so I'm using my fabric pencil and I am drawing those crease lines to make them more visible, so when I bust out my vinyl, I can easily see where things need to go on my shirt. On an adult shirt, it's pretty typical to measure down 3 inches from the collar, and that would be where you'd want to start the top of your design. This helps center things across the chest. So I'm going to use my measuring tape and I'm going to place it at the bottom of the collar, measure down 3 inches, and I'm going to make a mark there with my fabric pencil. So I know when I'm ready to place my design on the shirt, I want to make sure the top of the design does not go above that 3-inch mark. And then I'm a visual person, so I need to know where this is going to end up. I'm thinking about doing my design at 4 inches tall. So I'm using my tape measure again, and I'm going to mark that 4-inch spot so I can see where that design is really going to fall on this shirt. So to recap, we have measured the center of our shirts and marked the area where we want our design to fit. And this is how you make sure your design is centered on the top middle of the chest every time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you found it helpful. You don't want to miss out on any of the fun, so click subscribe to continue seeing more crafting tutorials. Until next time, with love, Crafty Christie.